In this video, I'm looking at these questions here where I've been asked to simplify each of these expressions. So if we look at part A, so we have a to the 5 times a cubed. So this would be the first index law, because the fact that we have two numbers of the same base multiplied together, and the first index law therefore states that we add the powers. So we would have a to the 5 plus 3, which is equal to a to the 8. So this becomes a to the 8. Okay, so now if we have a look at the second one, we have m to the 4 n cubed multiplied by m squared n to the 5th. So if we work these ones out, we want to look at just the individual letters that match up, so the m with the m and the n with the n. And it is again the first index law, because of the fact that we're multiplying, so we're going to add indices with numbers that have the same base. So that's why we're looking at the same letters, is because we want the same base. So m to the 4 times m squared will give us m to the 4 plus 2, and multiply that on with n cubed and n to the 5, which gives us n3 plus 5. And so that's going to give us m, 4 plus 2 is 6, so m to the 6, and then n3 plus 5 is 8. Okay, now having a look at part 3, part C, we have 2a squared b cubed times 3ab to the 4. So with this one, we also have numbers on their own, so we want to deal with the numbers as well. So we're going to have 2 times 3, which is 6, and then we're going to start applying the appropriate index law, which, because we're multiplying, is again the first index law. So going to have a to the 2 plus, remember there's an invisible 1 there, so it's going to be 2 plus 1, b, 3 plus 4. So that gives us 6a cubed b to the 7. Okay, now having a look at D, we have a to the 7, b to the 4, and now we're dividing with a squared b. So this means that we're going to use the second index law, which says that numbers of the same base, we subtract the powers. So having a look at a, we're going to have a to the 7 minus 2 and b to the 4 minus, remember there's an invisible 1 there, so minus 1. So that's going to give a 7 minus 2 is 5, so a to the 5 times b, 4 minus 1 is 3. So a to the 5, b cubed. Okay, and last one, part E. So we have 2x to the 5th, y 4, 10x squared, y cubed. So we're going to have a look at this. So again, dealing with the numbers first, 2 over 10 gives us 1 over 5. I'm just going to write that as over 5 for now, because then we're going to have a look at the letters. So we're going to have x to the 5, and we have x squared, so it's going to be x to the 5 minus 2. And we're going to have, now looking at our y's, 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3. So that's going to give us x to the 5 minus 2 is x cubed, y to the 4 minus 3 is 1, so I'm just going to leave it as blank, over 5.